Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to hang a door on the wall. Now the place might look familiar. We're in Neck Kitchens Direct of East London again, and I'm hanging this door up for them over here just like I hung these. Now the reason I'm going to show you how to hang a door is this could replicate a mirror, a picture of your kids, family portrait, anything like that. So you're going to need a few basic tools. Picture hanging kit from Amazon, 10 quid. Keep watching. I'm going to mark 2 points on the door. You mark these 2 points on the door to hang these hooks. There's a guy sorting out his gas bill in the background, poor guy. Gas bills have hit him, so just try and ignore that if you can. This here. This here. Now we're going to hang that on each corner of the door. I'll show you how, and then hang the door up. Mark the hole. Mark the hole. Very simple. Mark. Mark. That's the screw. This is a draw bit. I'm going to drill a pilot hole with this draw bit. Now the draw bit needs to be small enough to obviously give the teeth a chance to bite into the wood. So I'm going to drill a little hole and screw these in with the hooks. So basically, not the reading that you've got the other statement of 9049. That reading is on the 27th of October. Obviously, do not drill all the way through because obviously you don't want the hole coming through to the other side. Is basic, sorry. Well, I've used an impact driver. You can use a screwdriver if you ain't got one. Pilot hole, as I showed you. Make sure it doesn't go through the door. Now to get the wire. This is the wire that comes in that kit. Picture hanging kit from Amazon. There's wire. Being an electrician, I've got a plier, side cutters. There you go. Now, just to show you this, I've used a side cutters to cut this wire. And how it's going to work is you get this crimp here. Crimp's going to go through around that hook and back. So that is going to go through the hook that I've screwed onto the door, and then I'm going to use a pair of vice grips and model grips to squeeze that. I'll show you in the video over there. Right, I put that lug, a little crimp through the wire, made a loop like I showed you. Got these vice grips, mole grips. They were known as mole grips back in the day, now they're called vice grips. The jaws lock. I'm going to use these to crimp that. Mark the centre of the door. It's 39.5. What's half of 39.5?
Half of 39.5?
Yeah.
It is
19.5.
19.5.
19. No, it's not 19.75.
13.5 you said?
39.5.
Oh yeah, no. 19.75.
You sure? Mr. Rebel, why are you crawling on the floor? Mr. Rebel, why are you crawling on the floor?
I don't want to get in the middle of the video.
That man is committed to YouTube. He's, you know, he crawled along the floor to protect the recording. Right, so mark the centre of the door. Give yourself another crimp. Put the wire through the crimp. Bring it through the eyelet, back into the crimp. Right, long story short, I'm going to crimp this here so the wire never goes past the picture. I mean the top of the door or the picture or whatever, so I'll pull it tight. I get the mole grips. So that'll go like that. Now, I'm going to mark the wall, put a screw in the wall and then hang it. Keep watching. Level, pencil. The door is not to go past that line. Right. I measured the distance from there to there. So then I know the maximum torque on that wire is, bear with me, about 11 mil. So we'll mark 11 mil from the top line. Before I do that, I need to find the centre. 9.5. Yeah, sorry, ignore the uniform. It's not meant to be that way. That's 6.5. Pull that right. Got a top line, got the centre line. Mark 11 mil from the centre line, from the top line. That's roughly 11 mil. Now that is plasterboard with a sheet of chipboard behind it. So if I use a long enough screw, and go through the plasterboard into the chipboard, getting a good fixing. If not, you need to use a drill, plug, or some other form of fixing. For this, it would be iron there, go straight in. It's caught it pretty well. And let's see how this lines up. Now if this is your picture mirror frame, be careful not to drop it. You want the mirror smashing. You want to ruin the family portrait, so be careful. Now for what that is, that's close enough, it's good enough, they're happy with it. It's straight, it's level, it's square. Thank you for watching, see you in the next one. Please like and subscribe. And like I said in the other videos, if you're in the London area, if you subscribe, the company will give you a discount if you need anything done and you're in the London area. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. You've got a little bit of a battle going on there, man. You've got a battling hard.
Yeah, flipping crazy, man.
What it is, our friend Garen, the Magic Man, he was just on to the gas company, sending him threatening letters, these corporations threatening little guys like us. Poor guy has been lumped with a bill that he don't even know anything about. They're claiming he used 750 kilowatts of gas. The guy ain't got a boiler. He ain't got a boiler in the house.
Probably was empty.
Yeah, sorry, property was empty. They don't even have a boiler. They tenant nicked the boiler and left, and they're trying to do him for gas. It's disgusting. So yeah, you may have recognised the background. I am in Net Kitchens Direct. Once again, just helping them out with this.